Hey, what's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the Gil Podcast. This podcast is about me, Gil, and the things that I'm currently obsessed over. Today is a bit of an interesting day. It's super early in the morning. I've been editing all morning, and I was at my house, at my home office. So I wanted to drive to a coffee shop or my actual office outside of my home. But I just was like, let me just take a quick break. I just came off of a really major Egyptian wedding project that I was a part of maybe a good 2 weeks now. And I also direct and produce a separate podcast for some clients. And I also have a photo shoot or two that I'm juggling. And I'm kind of at my limit right now. So, of course, the last episode, the last couple of episodes has always been about hustle, hustle, hustle. Get it, work. And I'm kind of on record saying that I don't really like the hustle culture, that always working culture, but I subscribe to the idea that you should work for the things that you want. That's a huge difference. To me, the hustle culture is like running blind. They tell you to run on the track with a blindfold. And I don't really subscribe to that idea of hustle culture, even though I understand it. You know, it's like nonstop work, let's go. But I don't really feel like we as human beings were made for that. Again, I only subscribe to the idea of you should work hard for the things that you want, things that you dream of. And if you dream of just working all day blindly and just sweat and tears and just no sense of guidance and you're just going to do everything. Everything's a yes. You're going to say yes to every opportunity that comes to your door. Okay, that's fine. But no. Recently, I just had a couple major projects coming up. This is a bit of a TMI situation. I get super stressed because, again, I might say that I don't subscribe to the hustle culture, but I do really work hard at work, at my day job, and outside of work. Even when I get home, I'm always busy doing something. It's not the best. It's not really healthy at all. It's not cool. My perfect day is essentially me waking up, having breakfast with my wife, walking my dog with her, going on the trail, and maybe opening my computer just for YouTube. And that's pretty much it. And then if I could have one day of those a week, I'm fine. But more recently, I just love the idea of just spending time with my wife, where I just block out a lot of things after 6 or 7 p.m. If we're both home. I'm not touching my computer. I'm not answering clients at all. And the TMI situation is I have this weird necking, creeping pressure thing that's on my neck every time I get bombarded with the work. It's I get so anxious. It's I'm filled with so much anxiety and stress that it's my neck hurts. It's just high levels of just stressed. It's due to my day job and, like I said, jobs that I do outside of work for my business. It's becoming a little too much, and there are even times where I'm thinking, is this even worth it? It is, because I really enjoy it, but not at the cost of my health. So I've been slowly picking away and doing away with a lot of things that I felt I can stop doing and stop saying yes to. Some of them are photo shoots. Some of them are video recordings. I do video for a lot of people who have YouTube channels. That has becoming very taxing on me. And just a lot. Like the only thing that I'm pretty much saying yes to at this very moment is consultations, because that's relatively easy. And the turnaround is a lot quicker as far as like stacking the income. Like eventually they'll do another consultation and eventually they will buy some of the affiliated items that I recommended. And they would also refer me to their friends who are also probably facing the same issues that they were having. So yeah, this week, my whole chest and heart and my back was just, feeling it. It's like a grip lock on my chest, very, very tight. Went to the doctor, everything is cool. I just need to de-stress. Yes, I went to the doctor, everything is good. I'm not going on WebMD. I actually have a physician that I see regularly and everything is on the up and up. It's just that I just need to take a break. Doctor's orders. Also, I have low iron, so I need to start eating beef, like a steak or two or something. But yeah, take a break. That's what I'm doing. And what really helped me recently was acquiring a Nintendo Switch. I'm not the biggest gamer, but I'm the biggest gamer. I'm one of those people that at one point in time just was a hardcore gamer, but you would never know because I was so efficient. Like I'll be able to execute a game, complete it, and then still do what I had to do at home, at work, outside of work, and be a part of like friendships. And now I rarely had the time. So getting a Switch to me right now, and the only reason why I honestly got a Switch now is because of a specific game, and that is the Pokemon Legend of Arceus. I think that's how you say it. It just really is just a de-stressor for me. Don't really have to think. I could take it anywhere. Actually, right now, I'm actually podcasting in my car, and I have it like right next to me. I'm not playing it right now, but it's just that I want people to know that, hey, I'm human. Yeah, I get stressed. I go through things. We all go through things. So this is what this podcast is about. Whatever you have to do to de-stress, to feel better, do it. Whatever you have to do to save your sanity, whatever you have to do to be healthy, do it. This hustle culture will kill you. I'm not gonna let it kill me though. I'm taking a break, hanging out with my wife. I'm about to go get me a matcha at this coffee shop called The Seed. It's in Lighthouse Point off of Federal and, is it Sample? Why am I saying it as if y'all can like come here now? But just so you know, this is my new favorite coffee shop. It is 2.4 miles away from my home. I biked to it one time. It's really nice. It's a nice ride. Recently, I just been driving my car there, sitting down for like maybe an hour or two editing stuff. And today I wanted to podcast in the parking lot. All right, y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed this episode and my transparent talking about me. I don't get enough of this, man. I really love podcasting. And it's not just about, I talk about myself. I really just love sharing my thoughts and ideas with y'all. And I love when y'all give me feedback. I really love it so much. I love y'all. Thank you. Have a nice day. Enjoy taking a break. Take a break. Enjoy it. Relish it. Just feel that break and then go back to work. All right, y'all. Bye.